Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakhe. Kaizer Chiefs itrainile-ke bafethu namhlanje ku-last training session yabo before baflya kusasa baya kuphi eCongo la bayodlala khona ne-AS Simba bafethu, i-match ezoba nzima kakhulu. But-ke it's gonna be very interesting to see ukuthi bahambe nobani because of laphana ejimini ngibona u-Ighodaro ejima laphana, ngibone uVelebaya, ngibone uBatman, ngibone uVilakazi, so we can expect abantu esingakababoni this season ukuthi potentially-ke maybe bangaba i-part ye-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs esitravelayo overall laphana. So yeah, it's gonna exciting times for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ibe nama-player angaka abuyile amanye from injury, i-depth yabo, abanye babuya kwi-international duty, Mfundo Vilakazi. I don't know if Lokunjana uShabalala uzojoyina, uzokwazi ukuhamba ne-Kaizer Chiefs. We don't know. But-ke hopefully uzokwazi ukuhamba, but-ke beneBafana Bafana izolo lokhu. Yeah, we just have to wait and see sibone ukuthi umfana uzokwazi ukutravela ne-team nanokuthi is fully fit. But-ke that's the beauty, the blessing and the curse of ukudlala ukuselect for i-national team. Akatholanga i-break, abanye abadlali be-Kaizer Chiefs bonke bathole angazi 2 days break, ukuthi bozipholela 2 days or 3 days break. In fact, it was more than that because of bekuyi-international break, ovele babese-Cape Town, abanye bayelele nale. Ngibone nama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs amanye ahlangene nje ngathi bebakhiphile. So ulona uShabalala kuphela bebhizi laphana bafethu, abanye bebepholele be-relaxele. So they're heading to eCongo. It's not gonna be an easy game, kuzoba nzima kakhulu. They have to get ama-results, but I'm expecting ukuthi uMayo uzokwazi ukulida i-team laphana eCongo bafethu. It's not gonna be an easy game but akusizi, they're not the biggest team man eCongo labantu abodlala nabo, because biggest team abo-TP Mazembe, yes, yi-biggest team yalaphana kuleya country le. Siyazi ukuthi in recent season they haven't done well on the continental stage, but-ke they are arguably the biggest team in the country there. Nge-rich history yabo, sikhumbule ukuthi ama-former champions we-CAF Champions League, bake badlala i-World Cup nabo. One of the first teams laphana e-DRC or ku-region yabo laphana yokudlala, in fact the only one I think, yeah, yokudlala i-FIFA World Cup, which was a big achievement. But le team le Kaizer Chiefs edlala nayo i-team encane, akusiyi-team Nkosi yami abangathi izobanika inkinga, kumele ba-stress-e ngayo bangalali. But-ke into abangayi-expect-a laphana i-physique yakhona. Yeah, exciting times njengoba bengishilo bafethu, but I wanna see something here, ukuthi ilokhunjani i-Kaizer Chiefs izoshape-a kanjani against leya team leya. I'm expecting uLokhunjani Umthetho ukuthi adlale. Umthetho uzokwazi uku-stabilize iLokhunjani i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs, ayi-protect-e nge-bravado persona yakhe nale nkani yakhe nje ukuthi i-die hard. Is no backing down, he's always there pushing ngempela ukuthi azame ukuthola ama-results overall. I mean, if abanye abadlali bangakwazi ukufaka i-energy efana neyakaLokhunjana neyakaMthetho, i-Kaizer Chiefs ingenza ey'bukwayo. And this team is brand new bafethu kahle kahle nakule ku-professional league yalaphana, because 2023-2024 season bebadlala laphana ku-League 2 cabanga ku-NFD yakhona, so i-team nje entsha, brand new from kuleya league le. So akusiyi-team esinga-expect ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingabanika i-problem, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi bangaplena ngayo too much, but-ke ngiyazi ukuthi i-physique yabo izokwazi ukunika i-Kaizer Chiefs i-problem because bazodlalisa inkani isikhathi esiningi. They have to expect ama-tactics mhlampe angeke aba-favour bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke they have to go to the game believing that bangakwazi ngempela ukuthola ama-results. But ku-local league, yes, kusho ukuthi baya-relegate baphinde babuye, so they are not a brand new team, but-ke baya-relegate baphinde babuye, baba-relegate baphinde babuye laphana. So njengoba bengishilo akusiyi-team engaba seriously at all bafethu, enganika i-Kaizer Chiefs i-problem, never. But-ke you'll never know, it's a game of football. Yeah, amanye ama-team i-AS Vita, one of the biggest teams eCongo. So mawubheka nje le team le isemuva kabi yona kakhulu bafethu, hayi kancane, isemuva too much. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs izoyinika i-problem, but yabanawo ama-player a few ukuthi mhlawumpe azokwazi ukunika i-Kaizer Chiefs i-problem, but-ke there's nothing special about the team at all. There's nothing really special about them. But into esingayisho especially ukuthi bakwazile ukuwina i-AF Cup yalaphana eCongo bafowethu, i-tournament le edlalwa yiwo wonke amalokhu njani ama-teams walaphana eCongo, bakwazile ukushayisana nayo leyo cup leyo manje 2025. Angisho i-Kaizer Chiefs bahlangana ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs ibuya ku-Nedbank Cup, iwina i-Nedbank Cup. Le team nayo iwine i-Nedbank Cup yalena eCongo, which is i-FA Cup equalifyisa straight to le tournament lena ababuya kuyo laphana bafowethu. I mean, if you are in a winning mentality, leya team leya, maybe they can try and build from what they've achieved laphana ekhantrini yayo, because siyazi ukuthi ibhola lalapha linzima kakhulu bafowethu, alikho lula. So I mean, looking at them ukuze bafike kuma-finals, I mean, but kuma-cup games uyashayisana nayo bafowethu phela i-tournament, ugcine nje sowufikile ku-finali noma kuthiwa elikini awenzi kahle, but-ke sometimes you are able to ukuthi ushayisane nayo and then ukwazi ukuwina overall. But yeah, akusiyo i-team ezonika i-Kaizer Chiefs i-problem at all. Peterson, I'm expecting ukuthi abe laphana emuva epalini as number 1, and then ku-back 4 ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Inacho Miguel angimthembi, for some reasons angimthembi, but cause ngiyambukela Inacho Miguel unama-moments wakhe, kunama-moments la are-beautiful in terms of like i-aggression yakhe, la sekubonakala ngathi khona sokuvaliwe ngempela, i-team seyiyokora vele nge-tackle yakhe out of nowhere. So uyakwazi ukusiza i-team laphana ukuthi ibe nebhalansi emuva, but at the same time unamaphutha amaningi kakhulu okumele akwazi ukuwa-minimize. And le team le they'll try ukudlala ngama-set pieces, ngokuskwera amabhola, because bayazi ukuthi i-height bane-advantage compared to i-Kaizer Chiefs. But guess what, i-Kaizer Chiefs inabo ukuyinika laphana abadlali ngempela abangakwazi ukubasiza ukuthi bathole ama-results. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. Kaizer Chiefs ise-Congo bafowethu, ziyokhala. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.